Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to set MacBook wallpaper. By the way, I recommend you to use this website from Pixels because from this website I got those images. This is the first one, the second one, and the third one. Now, how to set those photos as your MacBook wallpaper? It's simple. Just uh, access your desktop and anywhere click on this anywhere but apps, click on the desktop using the right button of your mouse, select change wallpaper, and you will see this wallpaper screen. Here you can either select between the default wallpapers, for example those images. You can go with even, I think this is a video wallpaper. No, it is not a video. I think yes, this is I still remember that this is a video. Don't this is a ocean photo. This is North Africa. This one or this shuffle landscape. So this shuffle all, it will use all your MacBook default photos and use them and start shuffling them each time. How to know this shuffling period? As you see here, shuffle all every day or every 12 hours or every 2 days you will see a new wallpaper. Now let's see how to add your own one. So how to add your own one? Click on add photo, then select choose and start adding your photos. Let's add the first one. As you see, it was added here. If you click on it, you will set it as your MacBook wallpaper. If you add a second one or multiple ones, it will be added here. This is it and automatically selected. And here you will see this option of shuffling between those added photos. And here you can see the shuffle every 30 minutes, 15, even 5 seconds. Let's select 5 seconds. But before this, let's add a third photo. This is the photo. And now let's wait for this MacBook wallpaper to shuffle. As you see, it shuffled automatically. And this is the third image. And here your photos, you can select between fill screen, fit to screen. The difference, this one fills the screen. Or let's stop the shuffling. Let's use this photo, for example. This is the fill screen. As you see, keep close details to the corners. This one fit to screen. As you see, now all photo is shown, plus a little bit of free space, I think. And this is how to set your MacBook wallpaper. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.